Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Cyber Reviews. On 17th September, I did an unboxing and review of the Motorola Z4, this phone, and people are loving it. Like, it's one of the highest trending videos on my channel, and when I look at the analytics, most people are coming from like Google and then YouTube search. So it means that there's a lot of interest in this phone. And it makes sense that there's a lot of interest because this phone has a Snapdragon 675 processor, which is similar to that which is in the Pixel 3a. It has 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, 1080p OLED display, and it has this beautiful, build. And plus, it has a battery of 3,600 milliamperes. But though it seems small, the battery actually lasts 2 whole days. So it has a lot going for it. And I've been using it for like a month now, but I have some bad news.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
I was using this phone at work and it fell from like a distance of just 1 meter. So that's like from here to the ground. And the screen didn't crack. There's no visible sign of damage on it, but it doesn't come on again. And for a phone which has like an excellent camera, which has so many awesome camera qualities, like, it really broke my heart because you can't use the camera again at all. And the distance that it fell is like so small, okay? And I have other phones like the Samsung Galaxy S8, it has fallen down several times. I have my iPhone X, it has fallen down several times. In fact, I can even just like throw it onto the floor right now, and I don't expect it to crack or anything. I expect it to work. So guys, I'm dropping it because of you. Let's see what happens. Okay, so at the end of this video, I'll pick it up and check to see if it's still working, but it has fallen like even from the 5th floor and it's still working. So I was really disappointed when the Motorola Z4 didn't work, when it fell from the same distance, just like once, and that's all. And there's no crack or damage to the screen, and that's what even like blows my mind, because it's supposed to have like Corning Gorilla Glass and everything. So Black Friday is almost here. If you're looking to buy a new phone or gift a loved one a phone, you could buy the Motorola Z4, but you need to know that at least the screen is not as robust as they make it seem. But the price is also really good because in the review it was $500, and when you bought this, you got the Moto 360 mod, which allows you to take like 360-degree pictures, and that one, if sold separately, sells for $200. Plus, if you buy this off of the official Motorola website, you get another phone, the Moto G6. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can purchase this particular phone, even on Amazon, the best prices, especially for Black Friday. Okay, so if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, I do mobile phone reviews, mobile app reviews, and general tech reviews. Okay, so if you like that kind of content, hit the subscribe button, turn on all notifications so you don't miss the next episode. And so click here to watch my original review and unboxing of the Motorola Z4, and click here to watch the iPhone X versus Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus review. It's a very lovely video. You're gonna love it. Thanks, February. Still working. Everything is working.